Actually, it's a splatter. Oh well. Oh, that's easy. They're everywhere. Destroyed? Did you say destroyed? Uh, there's, one small problem there, boss. I don't think he meant to do that. Just watch what happens to that blue puffball when Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past here. Nah. Hooray, hooray! We're going to have a party! What are you gonna do? So boss, how come you let Twinkle Toes escape? Liar, liar, pants on fire. Well, training pants. Oh boy. These must be the buffers Diesel's looking for. Not we, you! This is a job for the boss. We'll tell him tomorrow. No, you do it yourself. Yeah, we mean that.